Hello kids. Yes, very good morning all of you. This is Nagashri ma'am here. You know what? Now I want all of you to look into this video. It is a song of Red Balloon. Yes, which color the balloon is, children? Red color. So here listen to the song first for the first time and then sing along for the second time. Okay? Here it goes. The little boy is running with his red balloon. My red balloon, my red balloon, flies high, flies high, flies high. I jumped up high to reach the sky, but could not reach it wide. Now sing along, children. My red balloon flies high, flies high, flies high. I jumped up high to reach the sky, but could not reach it wide. My red balloon, my red Yes, children. Flies high, flies high. Very good. Sing along. Flies high, flies high, flies high. You know why did I play this song all about red balloon? Because now I want all of you to, yes, open this book, English book, okay? Yes, my little ones will open this English textbooks just like good little children. And now, I'm going to do this lesson, My Balloon, okay? My balloon. So now as I read, children, I want all of you to, yes, keep your fingers on the word where I read, okay, like this. So I will read out for you and I will explain the lesson. So as I do, even you have to point out the words, okay? My balloon. Read aloud. My balloon. So block 1, my balloon. Who has written this story, children? Here it is there by Soumya Rajendran. So who has written this story? Who has narrated this story? The author is Soumya Rajendran. Okay, children, author of the story is Soumya Rajendran. Now you know what? Here, look here. There is a little boy, okay, who has a red balloon, but is it blown, children? No, right? It has to yet been blown. Like we have to blow it, right? So he has a red balloon and he has so many colorful toys. What and all he have? He have a ball, yes, skaters, then he have a car, paint. He has so many things, but he likes the balloon that is red in color. Look here. I have a red balloon. I have a red balloon. I blow into it. My balloon looks like a cherry. So, he blew the balloon now, but it is so small, right? So, he's comparing that small little balloon to the cherry fruit. Yes. So, once he blew the balloon, he thought that now my balloon is looking like just a cherry fruit. It is so small. Yes, red balloon it is. So, even the cherry is also red in color. Now, next, what does he do? Yes, I take it to Pa. Pa blows into it. My balloon looks like a tomato. Yes. So now he took the balloon, his balloon which was looking like a cherry, to his father. And he asked his father to blow it. Pa means father. Okay. So he asked his father to blow it. And now he's thinking, oh, my balloon is looking like a tomato. Even tomato is also red in color. Right, children? Yes. So next, what he will do, let's see. Now, I take it to Ma. Ma blows into it. My balloon looks like an apple. Yes, children, he took it to his mother, which was looking like a tomato. Now he took the balloon, red balloon, to his mother and he asked his mother, will you please blow it for me? And his mother blew the balloon and now he thinks, oh, it became little more big, right? When he blew it, it was small like cherry fruit. Then he took it to his papa. It became bigger like a tomato. And now he brought it to his ma, that is mother. And now he thought that it is looking like an apple fruit, which is again red in color. Yes, children. And next, let's see. Turn to next page. Yes. I take it to grandpa. Grandpa blows into it. Yes, my balloon looks like a pumpkin. Yes, children. Now he brought the balloon to his grandfather and he asked his grandfather, will you please blow it for me? And his grandfather blew the balloon again. Yes, and now it was much bigger. It was bigger than an apple. It was looking like an apple, right? So it was much more bigger than an apple, and now it was looking like a pumpkin for the little boy here. Okay, so his red balloon was looking like a pumpkin for him. You know what he did now? Yes, he's sitting sad here. Let's see what happened. And even the balloon is bursted, right? Let's see what happened. Okay, I take it to grandma. Grandma blows into it. My balloon becomes bigger and bigger and it pops. Yes, what happened, children? Look, as I told, he's looking sad and even the balloon is bursted out. Yes, what happened? What is the reason, children? Because he again took the balloon to his grandma and he asked his grandma, please blow the balloon for me, the red balloon for me. And grandma blew the balloon. And what happened? It became much more bigger than it was looking like a pumpkin, right? It became much more big. Then still more bigger, and then it got bursted out. Pops means it bursted. Yes, you will get a sound, right, when the balloon burst, children. So it bursted out and hence he is sitting sad. And now, you know what? My family, next page, children. My family looks at me. Then I laugh. My family laughs too. Yes, when all his family members looked at him once the balloon bursted, okay, what happened? The little boy who was sad, he started laughing. Yes, he was not sad anymore. He started laughing and even all his family members, that is father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, all started laughing and they started laughing together. Yes, they had fun time with the red balloon. So did you like this story, children, of red balloon, of a little boy who had a red balloon? So I want all of you to read the story word by word. Okay, then keep the finger like this and read the story, and don't forget to get a balloon and what? Blow it, okay? But be careful while blowing the balloon and don't burst it out. Have fun time, children. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Soon I will be sending the notes also. Thank you, children.